We begin on Christmas Eve with me, Mark, and my roommate, Roger. We live in an industrial loft on the corner of 11th Street and Avenue B. It's the top floor of what used to be a music publishing factory. Old rock and roll posters hang on the walls. They have Roger's picture advertising gigs at CBGB's and the Pyramid Club. We have an illegal wood-burning stove. Its exhaust pipe climbs up to a skylight. All of our electrical appliances are plugged into one thick extension cord, which snakes its way out a window. Outside, a small tent city has sprung up on the lot next to our building. Inside, it's freezing because we have no heat. Smile. December 24th, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. From here on in, I shoot without a script. See if anything comes of it. First shot, Roger. Tuning the Fender guitar he hasn't played in a year. So we hear. He's just coming back from half-year withdrawal.
Are you talking to me?
Not at all. Are you ready? Hold that funk is steady. Tell the folks at home what you're doing, Roger.
I'm writing one green.
The phone rings.
Saved.
We scream to men on the answering machine.
That was a very loud beep. I don't even know if this is working. Mark, are you there? Are you screening your calls? It's Mom. We wanted to call and say we love you and we'll miss you tomorrow. Cindy and the kids are here. Send their love. Oh, I hope you like the hot plate. Just don't leave it on, dear, when you leave the house. Oh, and Mark, we're sorry to hear that Maureen dumped you. I say, c'est la vie. So let her be a lesbian. There are other fishies in the sea. Love, Mom.
Tell the folks at home what you're doing, Roger.
I'm writing one great song.
The phone rings.
Yes.
We scream.
Nuts are roasting.
Collins!
Come downstairs.
Hey!
Roger picked up the phone.
No, it's me.
Throw down the key.
A wild night is now preordained.
I may be detained.
What does it mean? What do you mean detained?
Ho, ho, ho.
Baby, no!
Dude, I'm on my way.
Great crap!
I need the rent.
What rent?
This past year's rent, which I let slide.
Let's slide, you said we were golden.
When you bought the building.
When we were roommates.
Remember?
She lives here.
How could I forget? You, me, Collins, and Maureen.
How is the drama queen? She's performing tonight.
I know. Still a production manager.
2 days ago, I was bumped.
You still dating her?
Last month, I was stumped.
She's in love. Got a new man?
Well, no.
What's his name? Joanne. Rent, my amigos is due, or I will have to evict you. Be there in a few.
The power blows. How do you document real life when real life's getting more like fiction each day? Headlines, breadlines blow my mind, and now this deadline, eviction or pay.
How do you write a song when the chords sound wrong? The lyrics sounded right and rare. When the notes are sour, where is the power? You once had to ignite the air. When only it broke, something like a children.
Now we gonna
Everything's crowding up. I feel sick.
Where is he?
How we gonna pay? How we gonna pay? How we gonna pay last year's rent? Allison, baby, you sound sad. I can't believe those two after everything I've done. Ever since our wedding, I'm dirt. But they'll see I can help them all out in the long run. Forces are gathering.